These are the elevators at the Hyatt place at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida. Looks like we got some Mowrey elevators here. Let's have the 6. I almost can't even hear the motor. It's actually really quiet. I only hear the fan actually. The motor is just barely there. We can't see the inspection certificate. And here are your fixtures. Here's a look down the hallway. Let's go down to 1. Here is your emergency phone. Here is your cab view. Not sure if you caught that in video, but like the lantern just flashed as it passed to. It flashed down, that is. Also, the phone box seems to stay open for some reason. There we go. There's a map right here. I couldn't tell what was going on with the call station, but apparently the elevator just took a little while to open, that's all. The motor is slightly louder on this one, but by that I mean it's slightly more audible. The other one I could barely even hear it. Here we are at 6. Let's go to 1. Here's your cab view. Here is your emergency phone, which apparently you have to twist to open, that's what it is. Actually, maybe not on this one, I can't tell. I don't know, I don't want to mess with it. I already messed with it too much, that is actually. I think I might just, there we go. I'm not messing with it anymore. Here's a little map of Tampa. We are right here. Busch Gardens is there, USF is there. Again, here's a little map of some other locations. Alright, there it goes, and that'll be it.